Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a new addition to the channel and I will let the main man tell you more about it.
Boom! So guess what, people? Guess what we done? We went and we bought this BMW 1 Series 118i. Obviously, it's not the M140i because we don't have the piece to be doing that, but obviously, man's in a BMW 118i, yeah? Petrol thing, yeah? Bro, this is gonna be sick, bro. You get me, yeah? Obviously, you see one of those, you see them B58 boys and that, yeah, with their little BMW M140i and that, yeah? Drifting and that, yeah, doing bare madness, now you get me, yeah? But anyways, I'm not one of them, I'm not one of them mans, yeah? We like to keep things a little bit sensible and secure and, you know, all of that. Obviously, it's my first ever BMW, my first ever rear-wheel drive car, so it does scare me a little. Well, it doesn't scare me, but it's a little bit, I really tend to stay away from these type of rear-wheel cars because, one, you never know what can happen. The back end might go out and then that's it, you start drifting. If you don't know what you're doing, you can't handle it, you can't drift back, then I don't really know. But yeah, man, I forgot to do the intro. You guys don't know this video is going to be linked to this. Email. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the goddamn family. We're hyped. I'm hyped. Bro, I am hyped, bro. You get me? Man's hyped. Anyways, like I said to you guys, BMW M140i. I mean, BMW 1 Series. They call it the F21 because it's the facelift. I don't really know. But yeah, I don't really know anything about the cars. Like, I think there's like a B48, F20, F21. I know this is F21, but yeah, that's pretty much all I know. But yeah, to me, it's just a BMW, that's it. But yeah, rear-wheel drive, the car looks absolutely insane. Oh, man like M22 out, yeah? My guy with the BMW M2 and that, yeah? He recognized me, yeah? Did a little downshift and that. But yeah, big up to my man over there, yeah? But yeah, man, if you come with me, yeah, the car looks absolutely insane. Obviously, I got it in the orange. Apparently, this color is called Sunset Orange, something like that.
Yeah.
Sunset Orange, isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. But yeah, man, bro, the car is in absolute immaculate condition, yeah? Obviously, bro, I went, oh, wait, what's this, a stretch? Okay, it's not a scratch. Is it a scratch? I think it's a scratch, you know?
Traumatic.
No way. Oh my gosh, I think it's a scratch, I don't know, but we'll sort that out later. But yeah, I went all the way to Preston, yeah, to pick this thing up. 4 hours there and 4 hours back. It was a flipping nightmare, bro. The traffic was crazy, yeah. I was like, you know what, allow it. But yeah, man, yeah. Well, I mean, like I said, it's dirty now because obviously, because I've driven 4 hours in the pissing rain. It was literally pissing rain that day. So yeah, man, so I've literally, it's so dirty, I need to give it a wash. But the weather right now in the UK is just absolutely crap, yeah? It's windy and it's raining. The wind is so strong. It's just long day. I was gonna wash it before I made the video, but you know what? It is what it is. But yeah, I'll probably wash it another time. And bro, guess what? The mods we have coming for this car, yeah? Chai! I'm telling you, the mod that we are going to do to this car, hey, it's going to be madness. Bro, my plan is to make it like they look like the M140i. But there's a twist, yeah? A lot of people, they do things like this today to their 1 Series, make it look like the M140i, but then they swap the badge in the back saying want for it to be the M140i. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm not like that. I'm gonna leave it as the 118i, but I'm gonna have it in black instead of chrome. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do to the car. As the car stands right now, it looks absolutely insane, man. Like I said, bodywork is immaculate, yeah? It's just amazing, man. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, man. And let me just give you guys a little bit of like what I'm gonna do to, obviously the bumper, yeah, is gonna be coming off. I'm gonna be putting the M2 style bumper on here because yeah, it just looks way more cooler. But yeah, that's a little bit of mods that I'm gonna do. But yeah, bro, this is gonna be a mad build, yeah? You guys are gonna build it with me. It's gonna be lowered, it's gonna have new wheels, it's gonna have flipping diffuser, bumper. Bro, it's gonna look absolutely insane. I'm gonna be documenting everything as well, so you guys can come along when I make those type of videos. It's gonna be absolutely sick. But yeah, this is literally a stock bone car. Nothing's been done to it. It's literally a new canvas, just like the S3 was for me. Obviously, that was a canvas for me. There was not much that's all done to it. This is a canvas for me, brand new. It's nothing been done, so I'm gonna do my own touches to it and make it look absolutely insane. But yeah, man, obviously you guys might be asking, where is the Polo? The Polo got part exchange and I got $250 cash in my pocket. Obviously, we bought the car for how much did you buy the car for, babe?
$650.
$650. Oh wow, I thought it was $600. We got the car for $650, but you know what? I got rid of it for $250. I was like, you know what? I don't care, bro, because I even told you guys that car was literally for a run around. Like, you know, just because I saw the S3, I needed a car quick time before I actually save up and invest money on buying something else. And then yeah, man, this is what we ended up with. It's absolutely insane, man. Absolutely awesome. Obviously, the inside of it looks like a regular BMW 1 Series. Just show them the inside of it. Show them the inside of the car. Hey, very, very beautiful. Obviously, you got the back side here as well. Show them. Obviously, if you guys can see here, we got this, yeah? If you guys already know, this goes somewhere in the car, but I'm not gonna tell you guys. This is one of the first mods that we have for the car. I've got 3 things coming at the moment. I got the diffuser, this, and then I got what do you call it? The headlight wink, black flash, whatever it's called.
Eyebrow.
Yeah?
Eyebrow.
Yeah, the eyebrow. That's eyebrow is coming. The guy was meant to deliver it yesterday, but the Mar effer came down, saw that there's no one. He didn't even give it a chance. He just went, and then I missed the delivery because the guy is a blood clot. But yeah, anyways, that's literally gonna be getting installed in the next video, which we're gonna film after this video. But yeah, man, and then the boot. I mean, the back end. Show them the back end. Obviously, the back end looks nice as it is right now, but obviously this is gonna be changed. Obviously, that's gonna be something nice is gonna be going up there. Diffuser as well, that's coming. Diffuser is gonna be changed. Number plate, obviously, the number plate is not gonna be that. It's gonna have my number plate, E7 NWA, you know how it is. Something with attitude, come on, you know how it is, bro, come on, bro. And it's gonna suit the car so much because everyone knows that BMWs are not good drivers and they're a little bit of a, you know, nonchalant driver and that. So that number plate is gonna be sick. NWA is gonna be a sick plate on the car, yeah? It's gonna be mad. Obviously, I wanna do some modification with the exhaust as well. Bro, it's gonna be a mad thing, bruv, yeah? The boot space is so sick, bruv. Obviously, if you guys remember with the S3, right, I had a sub in here. Obviously, the reason why I had a sub in here was because the audio system in the S3 was absolutely trash, yeah? No bass, no nothing, was absolutely trash. But the sound system in this is really, really nice, which I really like. So yeah, I got all my boot space, which is good. Obviously right now I got my camera gear in here, which I'll be making a video on as well. What's in my camera bag, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, man, obviously apologies for the slow upload. You know, I know I haven't uploaded in about 20 something days, but you know what? We've been busy trying to sort the car out, trying to sort me out, trying to get everything in place so that we can bang out the videos a lot more better right now. It's gonna be a madness. And then for the engine bay, actually, yeah, for the amount of mileage this car has done, the engine bay is pretty clean, bruv. I'm not even gonna lie, yeah. It's actually pretty clean. Obviously, I haven't had a look underneath of it yet. I haven't inspected it yet, but I need to take it to work, put it on the ramp, have a look underneath, see if there's any oil leaks or anything like that. And then, yeah, man, we'll just see what's going on there. But at the moment, just looking inside the engine bay, it looks very fresh. Apparently, the guy told me that the actuator on the turbo has been changed, and a few stuff have been changed as well. But yeah, man, everything looks so nice and easy to work on this car. Even like looking underneath from the top here, there's no oil leak. There was another one that I went to see and test drove, had a look at the engine bay. There was a lot of oil leak in the bottom, which I didn't like. But this one looks clean. Obviously, the bottom, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, looks absolutely amazing, man. And yeah, big shout out to the guys that bought the car from. I can't remember what their car. I think it's like TWS or something like that. I can't remember. But I'll put a link to their website down in the description section below. You can go check them out. They do some nice cars there, and they sell like Range Rovers, BMWs, German cars, the whole lot, yeah. But yeah, engine bay looks absolutely insane. But yeah, man, that's unfortunately the end of the video. A lot more content coming on this bad boy. I really cannot wait, yeah. It's gonna be a mad thing, yeah. I really wanted to get a car, yeah, that I can really like do a lot more videos on. The S3 I couldn't really do much because I didn't have the money to do much, yeah, to it, yeah. So yeah, but there's this, buying this has left me with a lot more money to obviously put onto the car, make more videos, make more content for you guys as well, so that you can see exactly how we turn this into an absolute beast of a machine. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. My girl behind the camera is getting a bit tired. I can see her slouching like this, trying to rest. Yeah, trying to like, you know, hold the camera. She's probably doing a terrible job on holding the camera right now. Are you doing a terrible job, baby? Huh? Speak, the people cannot hear you.
Kind of.
Kind of. I hope it's not wonky, yo. I brought you a flipping handle, yeah, on the flipping thing there, yeah, so that you can, you're making it wonky, yeah? I bought you a handle so you can hold it properly. But yeah, man, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. It's been a bro. Oh my gosh, you guys don't understand. Yeah, this car is absolutely. I've already done a few spin classes at the yard. She moves nice. She drifts nice as well. I can't lie, yeah. Bro, but it's a little bit nerve-wracking when I try to get the back end out. I got it out, but it was a bit iffy. I'm gonna have to get someone to teach me how to drift. But you know what? The main important thing is that when I drive this car, it feels like I'm driving the S3. It's much stable. I can take the turns fast and whatnot without the back end coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. That's a wrap, cuz, you know. Come on.